How to create email notification on Acuity scheduling. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to present to you how we can send up or let the automation send the email notification to the customers or the clients that has been booking some appointments or into our scheduling, let's say here reservation, then they are going to be notified. The process is going to be very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you're going to be good to go. For those who doesn't know what is Acuity scheduling, it is a scheduling or a booking option that is created from Squarespace. And for those who doesn't know what is Squarespace, it is a platform that will help you create free website. Not that free that that everything is free, but you're going to get a free trial without putting a credit card. Now, the Acuity is a solution from the platform of Squarespace to set up here the appointments or booking appointments like Calendly, but it is going to be integrated directly to your website. Here, as you can see, if you are going to click on login like this, or you can go ahead and click on get started, you're going to see that it is going to take you to Squarespace. So this is the first thing. So we are going to get here the same, as you can see, plan as Squarespace. Now, as you can see here, I have already signed in into my Acuity scheduling. So we are going to select one of the websites that we have that are active normally on Squarespace. So I'm going to select this one and the account and then we are going to see it. If you do not have an Acuity scheduling account, you're going to be here obliged to create one. It is very easy to create the Acuity program or the Acuity scheduling. Now, as you can see here, you need to subscribe to create your own. So basically here, I'm not going to subscribe. I'm going to ignore that, but I'm going to let you see here the, let's say, the management of the tasks that we have mentioned, which are going to be the notification. Now, here we are on the Acuity scheduling. As you can see, we have the calendars and etc. If you're going to go to the calendars, you're going to see here the events that you have set up for the appointments. If you do not have an event or an appointment, you can go ahead and add a new event, class, or order. And also, if you are going to put up here the scheduling page, you're going to customize the page for the appearance of it. So here I'm going to be back here. Now we are going to see the availability. As you can see, we can insert or regulate the appointment types as add-ons, coupons, or types, and etc. So when you have here or you have set up the let's say the appointments of yours and also the scheduling, we are going to head over here to the left side of the screen, and then we are going to focus on notification. So here basically we have the notifications for the client email, the client SMS, and the booking alerts. So for the booking alerts, we're going to click on here. So we're going to activate send appointment notification. If you are going to see this case or this place unticked or in disabled, go ahead and enable that. Also, we have for the booking alerts the send summary emails. So these summary emails are going to be sent or the customers will receive a summary of the upcoming appointments. So we can go ahead and play with the frequency of sending these summary emails by setting up it at, for example, daily or weekly. Here it is going to be dependent on the scheduling or the type of activity that you are going to launch. You're going to select here the frequency. If you're going to present some courses, you're going to send the notification of the summary emails as a daily basis. If you're going to put here a one-time course, you're going to use it as a weekly. Now, that was for the booking alerts. Now we are going to talk about the email or the client email. So the SMS is not going to be that well known here in the list, but I'm going to head over the email settings. Now for the email settings, we have here a lot of notifications. We have the initial confirmation. which is going to be here sending an email for confirming the appointment is scheduled. So we have here, as you can see, you have one active template, and this is the template. So here, as you can see, I'm not subscribed and my free trial has been expired. So we are going to only see the, as you can see, the template from this dark window or the shadowed window. Now, this template is going to be normal. So nothing is special, nothing is going to be here, wow, and etc. So you're going to get here a text regulator or a text editor, a standard one. So you're going to align the text, choose the size of the text, use the italic effect or the bold effect, underline, and etc. So what are we going to see here? As you can see for the initial confirmation, the appointment scheduled for the first and the last name of that customer and what the type of the, for example, here, the appointment, the calendar, the time and the duration of that event, and which is going to be the location. Now you are going to have here a thank you message for that. You can go ahead and modify these. But for the percentage, as you can see between the 2% message, you are not going to modify it because it is going to be a systematic here, let's say coding. So we are going to see here for the initial confirmation, you're going to send it for the consultations and Jack group meeting. So you can go ahead and remove, for example, that Jack group meeting, which is having here an example or a, let's say, a scheduling that I have put for a meeting or an event. I have put it in here, so it is not going to be sent to this type of group. And if I'm going to put it in the initial confirmation, it is going to be sent. Here we are going to see the email subject as a new appointment, the type, the first, the last name of the client, the time, and with the calendar. Now for the reminders, we are going to see here that we have up to 3 reminders email can be sent to the customers. Now I cannot here see the reminders because I am not on the premium feature. But here I'm going to explain it real quick. The reminders are going to be here the emails that are going to be sent before the events for 24 hours and also 48 hour and I think 72 hours before the event. And you're going to set up here, let's say, the duration of that event, and the reminders are going to be two types. Either it is going to be a standard reminder for the customers only, or it is going to be a standard, not a standard, but an advanced, let's say here, reminder for the customers and also the admins that are going to manage that event that you have put. So for the cancellation, you are going to see here the same structure of the initial confirmation. So basically, you are going to put here an appointment cancellation. So the client has been successfully canceled the appointment. This is a choice for the client. So if they are going to cancel a consultation or an appointment, they are going to be here canceling them from your website or from their email inbox, and then they are going to get the confirmation for the cancellation. And also, you are going to get that in your console. Now, for the rescheduling, the clients could have this option if you are going to let them here put or get this option, and they are going to choose, for example, another date and another time and another location if you are going to put a variety of locations. So this is going to be here enabled. Now for the follow-ups, which is going to be the, let's say here, emails or notifications that are going to be sent or sent automatically to the clients after each one of the events. For example, here, let's say that you're going to remind them to book their next appointment after the session has been finished. For example, to thank them that they have been attending your session or your course or something like that. Also, you can go ahead and create some customized one as follow-ups. Now for the package, as you can see, and slash gift certificate order, you're going to put this as a standard. This is only for order receipts. And finally, for the appointments receipts, you're going to see here that we have this appointment receipts. It is going to have here a subject, a title, a custom message, and here you are going to preview the template, which is going to be a subscription or appointment receipt that they are going to have this for, let's say, refund or reimbursement from their companies or something like that. Basically, that was everything for or about the notifications of the Acuity scheduling. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.